Bye. Today's video is gonna be so fun because it's a moving vlog. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Adulting, things are happening. We're moving from an apartment into a townhome. Yeah, you heard that right. Yeah. This literally happened so fast. Like, we got a letter from our apartment complex, like management, saying like, okay, we're raising the rent by this much. You have a week to decide. And we were like, you know what? We bought, let's move, like, let's be crazy. So we were literally going on like 3 or 4 tours a day. Like, it was actually, we're going bam, 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 bam. And then for the last tour, we actually weren't gonna go because we just love the other places so much. We were like, this is literally perfect, but let's just tour the last place. Like, we have time to kill. It's here, baby. We applied to 3 places and this was the only one that we got approved for, but it's actually worked out because this was our favorite overall. It's so exciting and I'm so incredibly grateful to be living somewhere like this, and I'm so excited to share this whole experience with you guys. So okay, enough yapping. Let's go to the beginning. Hotties, guess what? We're on our way right now to go pick up the keys. I'm so excited. This is like, this is literally happening so fast, but I'm so like, brought a measuring tape as well just to see, like, I don't know, like what kind of furniture we can put inside. Like, this is gonna eat so hard. I'm so excited. Yeah. Oh, you guys see her? We're literally just so excited. We've just been running around taking measurements everywhere, and I'm trying to envision like how I want things, how he wants things. Yay! People just came and installed our new fridge. This is so exciting. Wait, I'm gonna open it. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, I'm bad at it. Ooh. And now we gotta pack up all of our shit, which is so fun. We love doing that. Everyone loves packing and moving. It's literally the best thing ever. It sucks so bad. I know it's our fault that we have too much stuff. Like, it is what it is. We tried our best to pack well, but at the end of the day, we kind of just like threw shit in boxes and was like, you know what? We'll figure it out when we move. And that did bite us in the butt a little bit now that we're in the new place, but you know what? We don't have to think about that right now. We had a 2-bed, 2-bath, and we packed everything up in around like 4 days, which I think is pretty decent. Like, we locked in, girl. Like, we already had paid the security deposit and first month's rent. Like, we had to get into that new place ASAP, okay? Immediately. Hi, we're officially moving in like 2 days now, which is kind of crazy. I'm here right now just because like the last tenants like left this place really dirty, so we're having cleaners come to like really fix it up. Like, I don't know. There's construction going on right now. So I'm like, yeah, that's so awesome. But at least it's happening before we move in. Hello? Hi. Okay, so you guys have already seen some like little parts of the townhouse. Oh my god, that's literally crazy to say. I was gonna say apartment, but I thought you were gonna.
Oh, my bad. I wasn't.
But before we move in and make a mess of everything, I wanted to show you like an empty tour. I feel like it'll be really fun. We're here at like 6 p.m. so it's a little bit darker than what it usually would be, but I still think it looks pretty sexy. So let's start. Okay, this is our front door.
Wow.
Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, and then over here is the.
Oh yeah, I locked it. My bad.
Dun, dun.
Hey-oh.
I'm like really excited about having a garage.
We're gonna store so much shit in there that we're not gonna see ever again.
Yeah. And then over here is a little closet, and Martin actually just had a really good idea of like making this into a shoe closet. I think it's supposed to be like a coat closet, but I feel like it would make more sense for shoes. Also, I know I'm wearing shoes in the house and it's bad, but tomorrow we're having the movers come and I know they're gonna wear their shoes and it's gonna be messy anyways. We're gonna have to mop anyway, so it's fine. Yeah. It's fine. And here is living room number 1. Yeah, you heard that right. Yeah, you heard that right. That insinuates there's more than 1 living room. Yeah. It looks like, isn't it insane? I love these windows. It's like, oh my gosh, like.
You look tiny.
Really do. And there's a cute fireplace, which is so lovely. very like jagged and angular, but I think it's gonna be really fun to like, it's gonna feel like a puzzle to put this place together. And then turn around, dun dun, more stairs, yay! I feel like the kitties are gonna like love this so much.
They're gonna go crazy.
Should I turn on the lights?
Nice.
Nice. This is our dining room area. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, guys! I'm so excited to have a dining table. Like, that's what Martin and I wanted so much. Like,
Literally, we've been eating on the floor.
it's gonna be so nice to have a dining table. But guys, look over here. This view. You're kidding. We toured a lot of places actually, but this one was our favorite and stood out to us the most because it's not cookie cutter. It's like so unique. I feel like just this view is gonna look so cool when we have people over and hosting.
Yeah, it's almost like loft, but not.
Yes! This is our second living room. I guess we can call it a family room. I guess this could also be the dining room, but nah. I don't know what we're gonna do with this, but it's gonna be fun to figure it out. Put a couch here, something like that. And then this is our kitchen. A lot of cabinet space. Oh my gosh, I'm so tall, I can reach that.
Wow.
And then, yeah. It's like, I just love like a window. Like, oh my god, doing dishes with like a window. That's so cute. And here is also a bathroom.
Nice.
Yeah, let's go upstairs. This one.
Upstairs?
I know.
What?
Upstairs. It's crazy. And look at these like spiral stairs. Like, you're fucking kidding me, right? Look over here at this view. Stop.
Wow.
I mean, it's like not a view, but I just love
like, look at
the windows. It's so cool, right? When you go in, we can go into this first bedroom. Oh, look at the sun.
Oh, little baby son.
I'm thinking this is where I want like my filming area, like glam room. But here is a closet. We have the floor length mirror, yeah. And then we can go over here into the other bathroom. Ta-da!
Wow.
Ta-da!
Whoa.
The last people left their shower thingy, so thank you so much for leaving that for us.
We will not use it.
We will not be using that. Thank you so much. Here is another bedroom. This is where I'm gonna have my desk, and then Martin's gonna have a desk. I'm gonna make him get a f***ing desk this time. Yeah, like this is like a, this is a room, which is cool. And then closet, and come over here into the master bedroom. Yeah, this is a 3-bedroom. Yeah. Come on in.
Wow.
Isn't it? Oh my god, I love this partial light.
Wow.
Oh look, there's like a cool window up there too.
Oh, so I could see. I
don't know.
Something.
Guys, this bathroom, when we toured it, we were like, what?
Yeah.
Like, these windows are so beautiful, and like
it's
when
so
it
bright in
direct
here.
sunlight, it's just so nice. Yeah, the double sinks. I don't know what that is. We're gonna need to figure that out. I don't know what that is. But we have double sinks.
We'll cover it with a towel.
We have a bathtub, which is cool. Like an out. Like, this is like not a shower bathtub combo.
Like, this is for bathing.
This is only for baths. And then we have a really beautiful shower, and then a walk-in closet in here. Ta-da!
That's where my stuff's gonna go.
And then toilet.
Wow.
So this is the upstairs. Ta-da! Yay! There's like storage in here too.
For stuff.
I don't know, for stuff. We're definitely gonna fill it. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. But this is what the whole place looks like. Like, look at this area. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. This is our new house! Yay! New starts tomorrow, but we actually brought a lot of fragile things that we're gonna slowly move it tonight.
It's not broken.
Yeah, yeah. It's our last sleep tonight. It's almost 12:30. It's late. Good night, everyone. Bye, apartment. Good morning.
It's moving day.
It's too early. This is really bright. But they're cuddling with us, so cute. Good morning, it's moving day. Yeah. We're doing some last minute packing right now. It is 8. The movers are supposed to come at 8:30 or 9:30. That's just like the window that they gave us, but we still have a lot to do. This is what everything is looking like right now. I am very anxious. There's just a lot going on. Boxes on boxes on boxes, girl. Oh, also, this is the best hack ever on how to pack your clothes and stuff for when you move. Just put them in trash bags like this so it keeps it all organized, and it's just, oh my gosh, we love it. Fit check. Okay, I'm wearing like super cute, like bow, everything. I'm just trying to be cute and sparkly and fun. It is 9:30. They're still not here, but that is okay. The sun is out, so pretty. Mama, you're shy right now? You scared? Huh? And done. They cleared everything out. Wait, it looks so weird. Like, oh my gosh, this was our bedroom. And then you go into the kitchen like this. Oh my gosh, I feel like you can hear the echoes, but look at the living room. So sad, so sad. But I'm really excited to move into the new place. I am literally starving so much. Like, I have the gnarliest headache right now. I think it's just because, like, you know, when you get super hungry, like, it's just not a good time. But now let's go to the new place. Yay! We got Suki, we got the unicorn, we're ready to go. Our bedroom looks so pretty too. Oh my gosh, the lights, and then look at the bathroom. Like, look at that, so cute. We're having them in the upstairs bathroom right now, so maybe it's not too loud for them. Let me just in here, let me get you guys out. Okay, you ready guys? This is the first time you're in a new house. Here you go, Mama. Wow. You wanna come out? Damn. You have no fear, huh? This is your guys' new house. Hello, what are you doing in there, bro? Excuse me? Oh my gosh, it's 5:12. The movers just left, so now it's time for the kitties to see the house. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm excited. I'm like, okay, I'm scared they're gonna be nervous. But yeah, it's fine, it's fine. See. Like, they don't have to come out if they don't want to. Hey guys, what are you guys doing in here? Aye. Someone wants to already. You're already ready? Come on, Papas. What is this place? Just being brave. Oh my gosh. You're so brave, Mama. She's being a brave older sister. What? Wait, I don't think she's... Oh my god. This is the first time she's ever encountered stairs, I think. Oh my god. Go over here, Papa. You scared? Don't be scared. Oh, you're going over there, Mama? What is this place, bro? What is this place? Today, and you know, like, it is what it is. Like it had to be done, but right now I feel so like icky and gross. Like, we just need to mop, obviously. So I'm actually really excited about this. This is gonna be our first mop back. It's a mop and a vacuum in one, and I feel like this is so sexy. This was also on sale, and it has really good reviews. So let's try it out. Instructions. There's so many things in here. Oh, I see it! Wow! You know what time it is? I feel like it's only right to eat pizza on the first night of your new home. This is what we've been doing for, like, this is our third place that we've... Whoa, this is our third place we live together.
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh my god, wait, I feel like I remember talking to them about, like, how we were nervous to move in together at first. Or not nervous, but like, oh my god, like, this is crazy. Yeah. This is our third. On today's menu, we have Blaze Pizza. Cheers. Good morning, everyone! We are losing our f***ing minds living out of boxes. And I know we literally just moved in last night, but we could not find anything yesterday and it was just like so annoying. So we're gonna do the damn thing today. We started off by setting up our closet. There's actually just a lot around. Like in the master bedroom, there's this one closet right here, and then in the bathroom there's a walk-in closet that Martin is actually going to be taking most of because yeah, I'm getting a glam slash filming room. Like this whole room is going to be with my vanity and my closet because like I'm just a girl. Like, you know what, we have 3 bedrooms. Like we're gonna use this space, okay? We don't really have an idea of how to optimize this space yet. Like, you know, like those IKEA like Pax wardrobes, those really tall like closet thingies. I want to put that in here, but I don't know if it will make the place look too cluttered. But I feel like it'd just be so cool. Like I'm gonna be living out my Hannah Montana closet dream. We'll see how it is, but this is what it's looking like right now. And then for the 3rd bedroom, this is gonna be our joint office sleigh area. I don't know, like for me, it's gonna be my office just because it's like where I need to edit and just do all that stuff. But then for Martin, I think he wants to put in like a sewing table or just something like that. He's been really into like making his own clothes and like upcycling things. He has free reign of whatever he wants to do here. You'll see for the bedroom and for the living room and basically just like everywhere, this is kind of just a copy and paste way of how we decorated our apartment. And it's just because right now we're not really focused on like reinventing or like redecorating the place just yet. Like this is literally only day 1 of us moving in. We kind of just wanted to take everything out of boxes and at least just put things down just to make sure, like, I don't know, just to make it somewhat feel like a home, and we could always change it up and just like move things later. Just like right now, like I know like especially for this living room right here, literally looks the exact same as our last living room. Like we eventually want to get a really big sectional here. We want to decorate it completely different, but yeah, right now it's just going to be a copy and paste because it just is what it is. Hi everyone, it is almost 11 p.m. but we finished everything. We unpacked everything. It's like actually kind of insane, but let me show you. Oh my gosh, look at all of the boxes everywhere, but everything is unpacked. Oh my gosh, we were so exhausted. I like literally could not even film an outro, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. You have no idea how excited I am to decorate this place. There is so much room to do activities. Literally, the kitties love this place too. There's so many surfaces for them to like hang out and just like, I don't know, it's so fun. This is what the place has been looking like. This is our 2nd full day living here. We kind of did the damn thing. Like we were just putting things where they kind of need to go. I don't know. We have like no idea what we want to do yet, but it's just kind of getting things out there and just seeing what sticks, right? I want to thank you so much for sticking around and watching until this part of the video and just supporting me. And you know, like this is actually just so insane. I'm so excited for just everything. I love you so much. I'm so excited. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.